start streaming here. Let's check it out. Am I on here on the live path? Let's see. Didn't I? Gotcha here. So I need to be on the live right now. Yes. Let me check it here. So yeah, that's cool. Right. So in this video I'm gonna be trying to solve Phantom from Vulnlab. It's a new machine. I didn't. Okay, so it's over here. That's right. It's a medium Windows machine, but I think it's hello 0xzb. Hello. Merhabalar hocam, kolay gelsin. Eyvallah. Teşekkürler. Bugün Active Directory yapacağız. So it was a new machine from the Vulnlab. Bro, you told me last time you will prepare a playlist after that live. So I decided to okay, so I forgot to say, I think as videos it's really hard to learn. It's not learn, but to get to know something. But I may want to be using here. I want to be showing my own website. It's linearalgebra.github.io. So it's just about my Active Directory notes. It's over here, and you can see it's my AD notes. For example, when I was on the pen tests for Active Directory, I always go here as a tags. For example, I need here escalation 4 and go for escalation 4 and get this. So, okay, I promise you I will do playlist for my Active Directory videos after that live. But I think it will be great for you if you are checking my website. For example, I will try to be upload here something. For example, is MS SQL. I think those are important things. Elasticsearch, for example. Is there anything for for example, silver tickets? So I think it's really important for Active Directory. You may want to be checking here. Okay, it could be important. But okay, I promise right now I will be doing here. Anyway, so let's go. I decided to be doing here Phantom from Vulnlab. So it was a medium Active Directory machine. You're welcome. Thank you for okay, remind me of this. Okay. All right. So let's start. If you're checking here the ports, there's look like nothing important to be Active Directory. So I'm gonna go here, let's save them. Then it's actually told us here we are working on DC. It's because 88 is over here, which one is Kerberos, and the LDAP and SMB ports. Let's see. Okay, so there's nothing look like important, but I want to be added here on my etc and host file. So let's go here, nano and etc and hosts. So it's could be important. Okay, phantom.vulnlab. So I think it's important things to be. We need to be learning here domain controller. So let's do this with crack map exec SMB and give this IP addresses, and it will be give you here domain controller subdomain. It's DC. I'm gonna be putting here dc.phantom.vulnlab. All right. So anything different we have? It's look like no. So let's try to crack map exec. For example, what about if I'm gonna say shares user session deleted? That's fine. SMB client -l. Let me give this. There is a free machine Vulnlab, right? Yes, you have to be pay Vulnlab for access the machine, but there is no too much machine at Vulnlab. For example, you may want to pay for 1 month, and it's could be like like $15 or something like that, but Vulnlab is the best, I think. There is no too much machine, but for the Active Directory, you need to be checked. So I ain't gonna lie. Okay, so let's try to think here public. Maybe find here something. Not sure. Let's do. Yeah, we got it here. So there's we have technical support email file. So gonna go here, get tag support and email, go exit and cat. Yeah, so there's something we found, import base64. So we need to be changed as here for the PDF or the text file and for to be read it. But I think it's important things we gotta hear something. For example, in the username, I'm the first one, Alicas at phantom.vulnlab, and it's from the tech support phantom.vulnlab. So let's add them on nano users.txt. Okay, so let's see. Copy, gave this, and copy this and gave this. So that's really cool. So it's about welcome template PDF. So and we found here template PDF base64 while encoding. So let's decode it. So I already coded here Python. So let me show you. So student tags pdf.python. So I think it's really basic. You can code it as a really basic things. With ChatGPT, for example, you may want to be used. We're gonna be giving here import base64 and PDF data on base64 and base64 decode, and for the string, so we give it here string and output it with PDF. So we need to be read it. So let's run this python3 pdf.python, and then we found here output.pdf. So I'm gonna go here to file system opt vulnlab phantom. Okay, so there's an output.pdf we found. So it's welcome phantom, dear name, we are excited to have you on board. We'll have your credential, username and password. So nothing look like important anymore. Tech support phantom.vulnlab. So we're just gotta hear the password. Let's see. I want to be added here as to note.txt. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Great. So we can do exif tool also for output PDF, maybe another username. Nothing. So we got here password. So let's try in crack map exec smb dc.phantom.vulnlab -u users.txt and -p give this. So it says it's work for this, but I think it's because it says we can access SMB as guest. So let's add it here. For example, add the app. Same thing. So is it the password for Alicas? I don't think so. So let's check it for lookup SID. And I will be joining as here gas. And then let's give here phantom.vulnlab. Okay, great. So we can deploy here the SID type user, I think. All right, so it's over here SID type users. That's really great. So let's grab them here. SID type users, and let's add them as nano look users.txt. Okay, clear grab dash I. Let's see, cat look users. Okay, what should I use? Awk. Okay, so let's use it here, awk. Okay, love it. While I really don't remember how did I use it. So let's try print 1. Okay, like that. Okay, so let's looking for 3 and 2. Yes, so we got it here. So the username, for example, are Nichols and Fredison with Silva and a link. So how can we so let's ask this. Maybe don't remember right now. So it was like command, but I want to be added here the chat GPT. How can I remove phantom? I mean it's a domain name. How can I remove phantom with commands? So I don't remember right now, so let's see. Yeah, that's right. So cut -d, right? So let's remove it and -f2. Yes, so full users.txt. So we got it here, full users.txt with lookup SID, and I want to be add them on crack map exec, and then with full user.txt for sure, and then continue on success. So it will be give you here if there's any credential, continue on success. Yeah, let's see. We found some username like iBriant, right? So we found our first credential, which one is here iBriant, and phantom add 5 to art. Okay, let's see. Is it working same thing for LDApp? So we may want to be checking here directly on LDApp maybe. So okay, LDApp. Yeah, I love ChatGPT while using. I think it's helped me too much. Okay, so we are also got it here on LDApp for iBriant. So we can do here hack the box. Hi man, I actually saw your t-shirt. Meter blood. Okay, go here BloodHound Python. Always use it. So I'm gonna be using the same thing here also. Okay, so it was here, it's over here, right? So let's give, need to be giving here password, and okay, let's give this for the username using this one, phantom.vulnlab. I hope it's gonna be working right. So let's checking for is also crack map exec. Can I use it here? Let's change it with our username, and I want to be checking here the shares. Could be important, right? Let's check it here SMB and then -- shares. Okay, it says this credential is working, and is admin and C is definitely is unreadable, but there is no writable shares. We can try to visiting here department share actually, so it's look like different. SMB client -L. Not actually -L here. dc.phantom.vulnlab, and then need to be added here. Oh my god, yeah, not like that. So we can add it here department share. We haven't access to it to be guessed, but we cannot do command. Okay, let's use -u iBriant, and then for with his password. What do you think to optimal Kali Linux options or mine's are always starting freeze after some time. I mean the settings. So I actually don't get it what you mean fully. What do you think optimal Kali Linux options are? Mine is always starting to freeze after some time. So it's about maybe you or didn't upgrade and update. So for the Kali Linux, I always use some. So let me share you actually. Okay, so it's could be here. Yes, my bro. So I fully don't get it what you mean, but I use this desktop for Kali Linux, and then it's not normal shell. It's all my shell. Is it like all my shell or something like that? I don't remember right now. You may want to use this. Okay, so it's because it's always updating itself. It's always updating himself to calculate from XCT. It's because all my Z shell. You maybe have to be update your original Kali Linux desktop. Maybe is it about it. So don't get your question fully, but I think says cool things. Okay, ls some PDF file. Okay, so hr some PDF file to it. Right. So we got it here on Wireshark TeamViewer exe.msi file, but another desk is dear here. I mean, so back up. I'm gonna go here back up ls. So yeah, we got it here HC file. I mean it's on VirtualBox or VMware. How many gigabytes do you give to? Oh, okay. So I using Kali Linux on host. I'm not using Kali Linux as on VirtualBox or VMware. So it's not my VirtualBox. Always use the Kali Linux on host, but I have a chance because I have two computer. One is fully Kali Linux and second one is fully to Windows. And if I need Windows, I jumping my Windows machine. If I need Kali Linux, is always for sure. I doing all my pen tasks on the Kali Linux. So don't recommend to be. Actually, it's not for me. But I don't care. But I don't recommend to be set to Kali Linux as a VirtualBox. Yeah. Because I think someone says our unit like 50 gigabytes on Kali Linux you have to be given VirtualBox. I think it's like you need really hardware. I think I don't know. So we got it here IP backup the HC files. So if you remember what is HC files here. So okay, HC files you may want to be checking here. So let's looking for IT backup HC files, and it's just data. What about the HC files? So how we can what is this extension? How we can read it? So how is it working? So I think these are important things to be do here. Okay, so I don't get it. So yeah, how to open HC file? So you need to be suitable software like VeriCrypt. So I was using here VeriCrypt. Gotta go here VeriCrypt. Oh yeah, I use as host. So I use 30. It's actually I use 32 gigabytes RAM. So it's could be why I'm so fast on my Kali Linux. But yeah, I'm using on host, so it's fully more fastable. Anyway, so there's a VeriCrypt. We need VeriCrypt to open here on to HC files on Kali Linux. So with that, to prefer software, you will receive Windows message. How do you want to open this file or something like that? But if we want to be open it, so for example, we need here VeriCrypt, right? So I don't actually remember where did I so VeriCrypt install Kali. I think I called something like that. VeriCrypt install Kali Linux. So I think I asked this ChatGPT, but you may want to be checking here. Yeah, same things. like here I use it on Windows, yeah, here, right? Vercrypt, yeah, as like that. So I think I have Vercrypt right now, so let me show you first. Vercrypt IT backup HC file, yeah, we need to be given mount directory first, but we have to be do small things here. I'm gonna be show you, don't, okay, I will be here and I'm gonna be show you. So the first of all, how we can install Vercrypt. I was go here Vercrypt. It was a free open source here. Go for download button. You can check here Debian 11, and then to install here Debian and Vercrypt console, or directly you can use Vercrypt on the terminal, right? So I think you can use it here as a console. I was using here as a GUI, but I think it's not needed. So you just check here Vercrypt like that. Where was it? Let me show you. Yeah. You may want to be checking here and want to be use Vercrypt like that, okay? But I think it's not needed. I don't care if you want to be use it. You may want to be use it here also. So I recommend it here with console. Vercrypt console is this one is Debian 11. So when what I did here Vercrypt, you need to be give this. But after that's all, you have to be remind something is always the Vercrypt file or HC files from the IT backup has a password. So we need to be crack his password here. So it's two basics. I'm gonna be show you right now. Go here hashcat example hashes. Don't remember. Let's check in here Veracrypt. Right. So it's over here right now. So it's will give you -m to how we can actually crack this for Vercrypt module. And I was using here this one, I think the for PDF2, and wanna be checking here separate as a legacy, but I think it's not it's always look like the same. I was using here every one is here hashcat was like, let me show, yeah, this one. So which ones was work for me? This one, nope. Great. Let's see, yes, this one. HMAC, SH, the 512 and IS legacy. But there is a small hint for us. So I'm gonna be go here wiki Vulnlab and I go for guidance and medium and phantom. It's over here. So for the user, they give us here the small hint. The should you need to crack hash, use a short custom word that's based on company name, simple mutation rules, company real life password. So we need to be creating here the password here, right? So I think it's important things here. So let's go here, syntax and the password generator. I think I was coded before. Was on home Elliot downloads and the password generator.python. So password generator.python, it's over here. So for example, for the be running here, I was use ITER tools and giving here some special charts to add hashtags, $sign or something like that. And the company name and year range. Okay, so why they are giving us here as a hint. Where was it? Yes, it's over here. Company name, simple mutation rules, and commonly seen in real life password. For example, year and special character. So why I decide to be giving here from this to this, so it's because will you also do hack the box hard and insane machine on live. So maybe I will do hack the box hard and insane machine. Could be checking for the rebound. Okay, I think my next video will be rebound from hack the box. So it was great Active Directory machine. You can check it here. I don't remember if it's free or not right now. So next video will be a rebound on the Active Directory machine from to hack the box. Great. So I didn't give you here input, so we'll be giving here company name. So where was it company name here as a phantom, right? Would be so good to learn from you. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, so let's give it here phantom and generate verse list with company name, Python 3 password generator .python, and it's already giving us here to the password txt for the b phantom. So let's checking for ls. So Python password generator, does it not save it somewhere, right? So let me submit as here as to nano small.txt, and let's go here hashcat. So I was using here, told you before, and to give it here small.txt, but generally I was using here with rocket.txt, but it's gave us already here to be so what can I say is they are giving our hint, so we will use it. So let's give it, and it will be hit as to be password. Okay, let's check. Vera crypt, like that, I think. All right, so we are cracked this. Where was it? Where's the cracked one? Oh, I didn't crack it. It's impossible. Do it. Do what to do? Okay, hashcat. Let's use this. Maybe with this, I don't remember right now. So we will see. Let's see. Okay. So maybe need to be checked somewhere. Where crypt we've checked from hashcat, right? Let's looking for Vera crypt here again. Yeah, maybe it's needed to take a time. I was actually I was cracked before. Maybe it's about it, I don't know. So let's checking for to be phantom, and it was password was phantom, this one, right? Let me check. I think, yep, yeah, the password was this. Okay, I cracked me before, and I think forgot to be clear my hashcat. Hocam Ankara'da yaşıyorsanız tanışmak isterim bir gün. Ben buraya Discord'umu yazayım, sen bana oradan yaz. Ankara'da yaşıyorum ama şu an Ankara'da değilim. Alright, let's crack it with very crypt. Okay, I'm gonna be using here very crypt for sure, and IP backup. So we need to be giving here mount directory. So I will be save it here. Now, so let's give it here pwd. And let's give this. Enter the password. So we need to be giving here the password, and it's over here. So let's paste it. Enter pim. There is no pim k file, no file. The project item, definitely say here no. So we are the beginning here, the very crypt to file, then ls, no here, maybe here. Alright, so we got it here, or all file from IT backup, and what do we can say, IT backup and sc file. So let's open it with what? I need to be opening it with do what? Got it here all. I mean, so why is not opening? Linear algebra hashtag. Bir saniye. Hemen bir bakayım. Yanlış mı yazdım acaba? Direkt kopyaladım attım valla. So yeah, there is something different to, for example, a JSON file. Okay, it's not open it because of the gun zip, right? Yeah, for sure. So for example, is there the JSON file? So let's open them with cat JSON file here. But I was waste my time like 1 hour to here. If you don't want to be waste your time, just go here tar and give it here. Okay, so let's give it here mixture. Okay, anyway, so tar and the YOS, the backup tar.gunzip. Okay, so it was on here giving here as config and etc file, right? I think let's see. Yeah, we can go here, for example, on config and then okay, so let's open here with code not work. So cat config boot maybe. So there's somewhere to be password. We need to be fine, and we are already fine. That's great. So there's we found is a password. So after we crack this password from SC file, I mean, so it was very crypt. And we saw here there's some password, and we have full list from okay, so from lookup SID, and it's actually say was our this is the username is this, but let's give this password with them all. I'm gonna be go here. I'm gonna crack map exec, give it here full users, and give this password, but definitely will be checking here with SMB. Okay, I'm gonna be using here SMB right now, and let's see. So this password is matching for no one, look like, so it's okay. I think I can go here blood and cat. Okay, so I was using here always get here full users. So let's give it here 2. I will be checking here from users JSON on the BloodHound results, and let's see where's the users. It's over here, and then go back, crack map exec, full users, and txt on the 2 I think will be work. So let's see. So it's because I think it was need to be work for someone as on to be SMB. I don't know why it's not working. So let's start here. Bloodhounds maybe. Alright, so it's look like working for services SSPR. So the lookup SID is says also here. Yeah, I gave you all username, but it was not giving us all username because we are getting here new username, which one is here also services SSPR with this password. So I think to be understanding here how we can get here SSPR with his password. We can do check it here BloodHound. I think it will be great idea. So let's open it here. We are already started here sudo neo4j console. I will be clear database first. Okay, so then upload here data. Okay, the opt Vulnlab phantom bloat. Let's give all JSON file first. computer, users, domains, everything. Okay, groups for sure. So which pass the credential we got it here, services SSPR, right? So let's give him services SSPR here, give him mark user owned. So let's check in for reachable high value target. So we are the member of the SSPR service, and SSPR service can PS remote onto DC Phantom.Vulnlab. So that means this username is also work for Windows RM, I think. So SSPR. So let's see. Windows RM. Yeah, that's what is meaning actually. So we can PS on remote with SSPR services admin. So it was important, but it's not hit me as a here for to be administrator. So the you know, or the first thing need to be do here to be administrator here. So is it not giving us nothing here, right? Yeah. So let's scroll down. The transitive to object controls. So we can do generic all domain admins and it's member of administrator. Let's look like same for everyone. So enterprise can admin credential. So it's look like nothing important. Let's see. So generic all. What it says actually, I wonder. Okay. So need to be find different things, I think. What it says, yeah. So we can change password for R Nichols, right? That's cool, right? And then for Crows and for W Silva. Okay, so let's add them. The services SSPR can change password with who user? The R Nichols. Okay. And to like Silva and Cross. So this Cross is like a short, so let's use this. Okay. So what you can use for the big change here, the password. So the first of all, let's give it here Cross, and then let's see what can Cross do. Maybe we can find different things here. So where is the reachable high target? Yeah. So and at allow with ACT on DC. Let's go for Linux abuse, and then we can do at allow it to ACT. So we will be using our Cross. So we need to be use small things here. The first of all, the change password Cross with services SSPR, then with Cross do at allow to act. So that was all. So let's do that. So I think it was really easy here. Net RPC password I was used. Okay, so net RPC password. So let me actually show you one more time. Okay, so I ain't gonna lie. Alright, so let's go for and the force change password. So if you want to be go here force change password on the hacker site, then you will be see here which one you can use. Net RPC clean and BloodHound is it new tool. It's actually not new, but that was old one from this. Okay, so let's change the password first. You have to be give the domain and the password and -s and DC Phantom.Vulnlab. Giving here new password for Cross, so I will be giving him new password. You may want to be give different password, which one is hard because it maybe has to be issue while using. Okay, so we are giving here new password. Then let's check it here. Hi to everyone. Hi man. Let's give here for to Cross with him new password. We will be see if it's work, and then we can do basically things which one is actually equal here. to, yeah, it was work. And then we have new credential right now is which one is equal cross, and I give it here my the private password I always use on my to on my pen testing. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so we can do to DCL abuse. It's over here. I'm gonna be showing you which one I was using here. So where was it actually? I need to be check. Was here. It was hard to be find to me actually. Firstly, yeah. So need to check my notes. Yeah. Look like I was use them. Not out of here computer actually. Okay, I need to be check which one I use, so let me check it here first. This one? Yeah, I think so. Let me check first. Yeah. So it was like on the same thing, RBCD, right? It was like RBCD, I think. Okay, yeah, this one. So I was visiting here. Why is it not showing right now? I don't know. So was using here to while to be when you start learning. I was start learning on 2023. It's like 1 year ago. Yeah, the RBCD delegation for the heart, resource based and considered. So was checking on here to for the change password. So then after we check it here, cross phantom.vulnlab, then reachable high value target is here. So we can basically see here on the allow to ACT, and let's read it here. So it was a work4 to RBCD need to be configured target because we cannot add here computer. So while we are adding here computer with this the name, for example on attacker system, the computer password and a DC host with domain net bias phantom.vulnlab and with his credential, it will be says us here wasn't this this one maybe? Yeah. Nope. So let me show you first. No. This one. So it was the Aldi apps, I think. Okay. So I don't know why it's not showing right now, but it was need to be show. We cannot add it here computer. So if we cannot add it here computer, we need to be do here rbcd.python. So which one is really important? So it's actually from here. Yeah, you can do here as the password here. So let's do this. I was reading here aloud, and it was show me here. Yeah, on the Unix likes we need to be use this to be all of things here. Good luck. Thank you a lot. Need to be given here to, for example, use here get tgt. We have to be given here new hash, and then describe here tickets with tgt cache file. So that means we need to be created here the cache file, and add here new hashes from tgt station k, and then add them all, and after that we can basically do here. So the firstly what it says, I got a message from Vulnlab, then I don't know why. Okay, wait a minute guys, I got a message from Vulnlab. Okay. Maybe someone's tried to stop me for to be doing this live, so that's why I check it here actually. Everyone's still here. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. So first of all, we need to be using here the practice. So the adding to RBCD on DCL abuse. So we saw here we cannot add a computer, so we need to be using here rbcd.python. So let me show you which one I use it actually. rbcd.python and a delegate to domain controller and delegate from cross because we are changing password from close. Osman selam. Aksanına ve yaptıklarına sonsuz saygım var. Başarılar olsun. Eyvallah kanka. Teşekkürler. So, with this the rbcd.python, we are delegate to domain controller. So it's because we found here to allow to act on the DC phantom.vulnlab. And then we are doing this with cross because we are changing password of cross. Then we are just want to be doing here right and readable. It's also is coming from with this phantom.vulnlab and giving this credential and dash debug. So let's give this and with enter, and it says our invalid credentials. So look like maybe wrong password. Let's give this again. So it says wrong credential. We didn't check in here password. Yeah. RBCD. Does need to be work. I don't know why it's not work. So let's see. Okay, like that. Maybe. Yeah. So we are successfully we got it here on the cross and allow it to actually. So we got them on the so the, it's the SID the domain SID number from it. It was not here. I think need to be used here. So that was the all. So for while creating here on DC.python. So what did you need to be do here then after? So it says you can do read attribute and about and allow it to be have identify, but we are not needed here. So it's just needed to be used here on the get not here. I think we can go here right now because we already got it here the domain ad SIDs and need to be used here get tgt. So let me use it here get tgt.python. And then we are giving this password and the phantom vulnlab cross, and we have to be get cross this hashes. So let's do this. Okay, let's do. It's gonna take a time, maybe. Don't know why it's not working. Get tgt.python look like not work right now. Yeah. So locate get tgt.python. So let's grab here get tgt.python and give this with python 3 maybe. Python 3. I don't know why it's not working, bro. Yeah. So let's say we here some password. So this password. domain, it's phantom.vulnlab, and it's cross. Right, so let's give it. Okay, I'm gonna be using here crack map exec again. What the fuck? Does not work anymore? Let's try to ping to IP addresses, but yeah, it's not working. So I have to be stop it and then start again, I think. Yeah. So my box died from Vulnlab because new machine is released. It could be about it. So let's see. We are just waiting for its deploying. Okay, let's open the music. Maybe will be great idea to be do it right now. My best songs nowadays. Okay, I started again the machine and I'm waiting for deploy. Okay, what is my new 10 this one, right? Every time I had to hide. So we need to be do what we did before, same thing, just wanna be using here net RPC. Then after that we can do DCL abuse here. Okay, so you may want to be check here. Okay, so you may want to start here, but it's because it's really important. So or users cross cannot add computer anymore. So there's maybe some to be no access for him. Then after that we realize we can do here RBCD because we are already so on Linux abuse, and then go here. The first of all was here, right? Yeah, to add a target's RBCD attribute, we need to be attribute for the reads or writable. Then basically we can do here on the RBCD and SPLS uses the abuse with those commands. Basically just need to be changed some things. Let's ping again. Yeah, we are starting machine again, but we cannot ping machine. I don't know why. Let's do it here. Time I'm gonna lie. I think it's gonna be time. Alright, so let's go fastly on etc and host files. Let's add him or new IP addresses and then crack map exec. So Wanda, yes, it's not work anymore, but we will be using here net RPC again. So let's give him password or cross. Great. So let's change to try again. And RBCD we need to be using here. Okay, it's work. So let's use RBCD first, and it's working successfully. And the get tgt file for get here cage. Okay, so we are the saving our ticket as successfully. So what we need to be do after that, so it says you can, for example, use it here describe that ticket. So again, I got a message from Discord, so let me understand what is first. This look like nothing here. What? Okay, the describe tickets.python, the from cross cage, and then we are grabbing here ticket station k, and then we got here ticket station k from cross cage. Then we can use it here the while using station k, because it's our new station k, because we are changing password of cross, right? Okay, and to smb password.python with new hashes. So which tgt station k we are grabbing here. Then needs to be give domain name, controller, accounts on password, domain controller. So let me show you here. Alright, smb password.python. Then after that, new hashes. So with some password and with domain controller name. But I think our new TGT has hash station is changing. So which one we use it here? Describe ticket. Okay, so we need to be use that right now. Then after I gave it here as enter, and NTLM hashes were changed successfully. So our new NTLM hashes is this one, right? So which one we are grab from the cage file, and then we are added here successfully with this command. So then after that all, you need to be do here small things like purposes name at tgt cage, and the get st.python, and impersonate with administrator, for example, was used here before, I think. Yeah. So let's do this before. The services name with cross cage and get ct.python, and then give it here impersonate as administrator, and then spn host dc and phantom.vulnlab, and then we need to be give it here as the cross, because we have already cross cage here. We don't need actually any password. So we can successfully add it here to administrator host dc phantom the phantom vulnlab.cage successfully. So after, for example, check here, your or administrator cage file is over here. So what we need to be do as the last things, then use this cage file was pcexec.python, and then we can get shell as administrator. It's over here right now with successfully. So let's add it here first of all, the administrator cage file. Then let's see. Who am I? And we are here anti-iterative system. Right. So I ain't gonna lie. So the Phantom from Vulnlab, one of the best mission I ever did. So it's because we are did here the Python skills for creating password, email to PDF, and the another things here. Then after that we access them, the grabbing varcrypt HC files. And after the grabbing varcrypt files, and we cracked them with hashcat, then access him in, and then got him the password for other users. The what it was here services SSPR. Then after that we did it here the first change password with netrpc. Then after that all, and we realized we cannot add computer because there is some limits with cross. But I think it could be to be meaning for the cross, the changing password, and maybe cannot add it here any other computer. Now you realize we can use it here RBCD from the BloodHound we found it here, and then got them. First of all, what we did to edit the target's RBCD to attribute with rbcd.python, then go here and use these commands. So that was all for today's, and I was really to who was here, I'm really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna be stop streaming. I don't think so you have any question, and thank you for